Hello students, this is the fourth part of the chapter Polynomials. In this session, we will cover the exercise 2.2. Okay. First one, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. This is the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay. How do you find the zeros? Okay. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 8 can be written as 4 into 2 and minus 2x can be written as minus 4x plus 2x. Okay. Here we'll split this one, x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So take x common, x minus 4. Take 2 common here, x minus 4 equal to 0. Here x minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Here x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2. These two are the zeros of this polynomial. These two are the zeros of this polynomial. That means when x is 4 and when x is minus 2, the value of this polynomial will be 0. Okay. These two are the zeros. Okay. Now we will do sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal to 4 plus of minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay. Next, product of zeros equal to 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. Okay. Now here let us compare this equation x square minus 2x minus 8. Let us compare this polynomial to the general form of the polynomial. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When we compare these two, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 8. Okay. Now here by using the formula sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Okay. B is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 by 1. Okay. 2 by 1 equal to 2. Okay. See here we got this both same. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to c by a. C is minus 8. A is 1. Equal to minus 8. See this and this both are same. Okay. We have verified that both are same. Okay. Now the next one. For this one, the polynomial is 4s square minus 4s plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Split this one. See 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay. Now this 4 can be written as minus 2s minus 2s. Okay. We'll split this one. 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1 equal to 0. Take 2s common. 2s minus 1 plus 1, minus 1. Take minus common here. 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Here 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here s equal to 2s equal to 1. That implies s equal to 1 by 2. So here both the zeros are same. Okay, here both the terms are same, so both the zeros are same. So for this value of s, the value of polynomial will be 0. Okay, that means s equal to half is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, here the two terms are same, that means the another 0 is also 1 by 2. Okay, the another 0 is also 1 by 2. Okay, we will find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to, take LCM 2, equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Now compare this polynomial, this quadratic polynomial, to the general form of the polynomial a s square plus b s plus c equal to 0. Here when you compare these two, we get a equal to 4, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 1. Okay. Now by using the formula sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Here b is minus 4, minus of minus 4 by a is 4. Okay, is equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. See, this and this both are same. Now product of zeros equal to c by a. C is 1, a is 4. Okay, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 both are same. Okay, next one, 6x square. See, we will make this as a proper equation, proper polynomial. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. See, here x term should come in the middle. Okay, so here 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So now express 18 in the form so that this can be added or subtracted. See, here 9 2s are 18. Okay, here I can write minus 9x plus 2x. Okay, minus 9x plus 2x. So here 6x square split this one. Minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Take 3x common. 2x minus 3 plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Here 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So here when 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1 by 3. And when 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. See, for these values of x, for these values of x, the value of this polynomial is 0. Okay, for these values, for these two values of x, the value of this polynomial is 0. So these two are the zeros. These two are the zeros. So sum of zeros equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Take LCM. 3 2s are 6. Okay, minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9 equal to 7 by 6. Okay, now product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. Okay, 3 3 cancel, equal to minus 1 by 2. Now compare this equation, this polynomial, to the general form of the polynomial. Okay, equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When you compare, you get a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to minus 3. Okay, sum of zeros. When you use the formula of sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. B is minus 7. Minus of minus 7 by a is 6 equal to 7 by 6. Okay, these two are same. And product of zeros. product of zeros equal to C by A. C is minus 3, A is 6, equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, these two are same. We have verified. Now the next one. See, here the constant term is not there. 4u square plus 8u plus 0 equal to 0. Okay, now here take 4u common. You can take 4u common. U plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, here 4u is equal to 0, 4u equal to 0 and u plus 2 equal to 0. That means u equal to 0 and u equal to minus 2. These two are the values. When these two values are substituted in this polynomial, then the value of this polynomial will be 0. That means these two are the zeros of the polynomial. Now sum of the zeros equal to 0 plus of minus 2 equal to minus 2. Okay, now product of zeros equal to 0 into minus 2. 0 into anything is 0. Okay, now compare this polynomial to the general form of polynomial. Okay, here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now when you compare, you get a equal to 4, b equal to 8, c equal to 0. Now by using the formula sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. B is 8, so minus 8 by 4 equal to minus 2. Okay, this and this both are same. Now product of zeros equal to c by a. C is 0 by 4 equal to 0. These both are same. Okay, next one. See, it is t square minus 15. See here, the term t term is not there. Okay, t square is there, constant is there, but the t term is not there. So here from see, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? We know this. So here t square minus root 15 whole square equal to 0. That means t plus root 15 into t minus root 15 equal to 0. Here these two are the terms. That means t equal to minus root 15 and t equal to root 15. These two are the zeros. These two are the zeros for which when these values are substituted in this polynomial, then the value of this polynomial will be 0. So sum of zeros equal to minus root 15 plus root 15. Okay, minus and plus, it is 0. Okay, now product of zeros equal to minus root 15 into root 15. Now this will be minus 15. Okay, now t square minus 0t plus 0t minus 15 equal to 0. Now compare this with the general equation plus bx plus c equal to 0. When you compare, you get a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 15. Now by using the formula sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Okay, b is 0 by 1 equal to 0. See, this and this both are same. Now product of zeros Product of zeros equal to C by A. C is minus 15 by 1 equal to minus 15. Okay, this and this both are same. Next one, 3x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. Now this two multiply these two, 3 4s are 12. Now how do you express this middle term in the terms of this? Okay, minus 4x plus 3x. Okay, now split this one. 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Take x common. 3x minus 4. Take 1 common. 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Here 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0. When you take 3x minus 4 equal to 0, then 3x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 3. And when you take x plus 1 equal to 0, then you get x equal to minus 1. Okay. Now sum of zeros. See, these two are zeros. For these two values, the value of this polynomial is 0. Okay. Now sum of zeros equal to 4 by 3 plus of minus 1 equal to 4 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM. It is 4 minus 3 by 3 equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 by 3. Okay. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now compare this equation, this quadratic polynomial, to the general form of polynomial. Okay. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 3, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 4. Okay. Now sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. See here, b is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Okay, this and this both are same. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to c by a. C is minus 4 by 3. Okay, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. These two are same. Okay, next one. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Okay. See, we should find the quadratic polynomial. Here, this is the sum and this is the product of the zeros. Here, sum is 1 by 4 and product equal to minus 1. See, we know the sum of the zeros formula. Sum equal to minus b by a equal to 1 by 4. So this implies b equal to minus a by 4. Okay, and product equal to c by a. C by a equal to minus 1. Here c equal to minus a. See here, here a is divided by 4 in this one. A is divided by 4. So why can't we take a as 4? If we take a as 4, then b equal to minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 1. Okay, or else if we take 1 or 2 or 3, we will have this 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Okay, if you take 4 by 4, it will be minus 1. It will be easy. Okay, now if a is 4, then c is minus a equal to minus 4. Okay, now we will substitute this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic polynomial. So here a is 4x square, 4x square, b is minus 1x minus 4, c is minus 4. Okay, So the quadratic polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. Okay, equal to 0. Now the next one, see, this is the sum, this is the product. Sum equal to root 2 and product equal to 1 by 3. Sum is minus b by a, okay, and product is c by a equal to 1 by 3. B minus b by a equal to root 2. Okay, here in this one a, c by a equal to 1 by 3. So if we take a equal to 3, if we take a equal to 3, then if a equal to 3, then c equal to a by 3 equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. C equal to 1 and b equal to c minus root 2 a. See from this, b equal to minus root 2 a. Okay, so b equal to minus 3 root 2. Okay, a is 3. Now substitute these values in this quadratic polynomial. Plus c equal to 0. So a is 3x square, b is minus 3 root 2 x, c is 1. Okay, this is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Okay, next one, see here, this is sum, this is product. Sum of zeros equal to 0, product equal to root 5. Okay, sum means minus b by a equal to 0. This implies minus b equal to 0, b equal to 0. Okay, product is c by a equal to root 5, c equal to a root 5. Okay, here if a equal to 1, if a equal to 1, see, we got the value of b as 0, b equal to 0, and c equal to 1 into root 5 is root 5. Okay, now substitute these values in the quadratic polynomial. See here, a is 1 x square, b is 0, okay, c is root 5. Now it is x square plus root 5, x square plus root 5. This is the polynomial. Okay, next one, see here, sum is 1 and product is 1. Sum is 1, product is also 1. This sum is minus b by a equal to 1. This implies b equal to minus a. Product is c by a equal to 1. This implies c equal to a. Okay, now if a equal to 1, then b equal to minus a is minus 1, and c equal to a means 1. Okay, now substitute these values in a quadratic polynomial. X square, b is minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now this is the quadratic polynomial. Next one, see, this is the sum, this is the product. Sum equal to minus 1 by 4 and product equal to 1 by 4. Sum means minus b by a equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus minus cancel. So b equal to a by 4. Okay. Now product is equal to c by a equal to 1 by 4. C equal to a by 4. Okay. See here in this two, a is divided by 4. Okay. Why can't we take a as 4? If we take a as 4, then it will be easy to get the values of b and c. It will not be in denominators. Okay. If a equal to 4, b equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1 and c equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Now substitute these values in this quadratic polynomial. A is 4x square, b is 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now this is the quadratic polynomial. Next, here sum is 4 and product is 1. Sum equal to 4, product of the zeros is 1. Sum means minus b by a equal to 4. This implies b equal to minus 4a. And product is c by a equal to 1. This implies c equal to a. If a equal to 1, then b equal to minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 and c equal to 1. Now substitute these values in a quadratic polynomial. A is 1 x square, b is minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial. Now with this we end this session. The chapter is finished. Thank you.